Hello Emily, this is Eric over at Toyota of Melbourne. This is the 16 4runner Limited 4x4. This vehicle is in immaculate condition. I took this vehicle in. It was a customer of mine who had leased it, and because he took such good care of it, we decided to purchase it when he turned in his lease. Again, it is in immaculate condition. Interior is gray, and again, four-wheel drive, full touchscreen. Has the limited alloy wheels, has all the chrome features. Again, this vehicle is in immaculate condition, and that is our original asking price. You had gotten some special pricing through, I believe, Car Gurus, and the mileage is 33,000 miles, so it is well below the national standard. Again, 321-254-8888 is my number. My name is Eric. If you'd like to come in and take this vehicle for a test drive, take a look at some numbers on it, I'd be more than happy to show you around. Again, my name is Eric Berkowitz, and my number is 321-254-8888, extension 274. Hope you have a wonderful day. I look forward to speaking with you.